Monkey Vader, he, what's up monkey fans? Today we will be playing with slime. So I already mixed some pink in with this blue slime. It used to be all blue, but now it's this purpley color. I just accidentally exited out of camera, so I just did a video. Wow. I wish I was on capture recorder. Because then it'd still be a safe video. But listen to this video while I talk and play with my slime. Okay, so I am going to pause.
What are you doing?
Okay, I am back, and I'm going to spread this across the table. See if it actually works.
Hey, what are you using?
A butter knife.
Don't do it on the table. You could ruin my table and the knife.
No, I'm not. Okay, this is not butter slime. So I gotta put this in the sink. Stupidest hack ever to put it in the sink while recording. Okay, so we got this cool slime. Gotta put it in this cool Tupperware. Okay, guys, next slime is this slime. I mixed it with blue and pink. It used to be this cool clear slime, and I swirled it with pink. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit more. Like that much. Yes, I know it's like a galaxy. The sparkles are the stars, and these are these are the planets. I have a galaxy slime. Yes, I know, amazing. And this is like stuff. But I'm not gonna thoroughly mix this. I'm just gonna mix it to make some more swirls and to make it more pretty. It's a very cool, pretty galaxy slime. Okay, we are going to put it back. It's very cool. I'll be seeing this one. Now, we are going to make this purple slime. Okay, so I'm trying to get this out. This is really hard. It's sticky. This is store-bought slime. I did not make any of this. I'm going to throw the bags away because I'm not going to use them ever again. This bag is way more clean than this bag. Okay, gotta throw them away. So you know how it was like sticky in the bag? Now it's like not magically not sticky. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have a theme for the day now. And today's theme is galaxy theme. So we will be making because these slimes are all galaxy-like, you know. I'm gonna that's like maybe a plan. The other one that I made was like a planet. So why is this blue right now? I have no idea. But it's like galaxy-ish, purplish blue. It's part of the galaxy section. But for the main thing, okay, it's the moment you've all waited for. I'm gonna go, okay, boom, boom. Okay, it doesn't really matter because I'm mixing them all together. OMG. Okay, so this is going to be turned into a very galaxy slime, but in 3, wait, so I'm excited for it to be finished. In 3, 2, 1, slime reveal! Okay, so it's a galaxy slime. Very awesome. Very pretty. The theme of the day is galaxy. Best theme of the day yet. Well, more like theme of the video, because I'm going to do a video in a second of me making a unicorn. Probably. I don't know. I don't know anything. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will make daily videos, I guess. I will try to make daily videos. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye!